Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from TANC Studio. Today we will continue our filter functions. This video will be a little long and detailed, so I would request you to watch it till the end if you want to master the filter techniques in Excel. So, to start with, you see that there are three different colors in these columns. You can filter your data based on color. Yes, you can. Just click on the filter button, filter by color, and you will see three colors. The available colors which are available in the column, it will show you those colors, right? So I filtered it with blue. I want to filter it with yellow. I want to filter it with orange. Get all this. Just clear it again. Now, filter option do have some extra features. See, sort by color, filter by color. What is sort? Sort means you want to arrange your data either from smaller to larger or larger to smaller. There are two types of sort. So what we usually call smallest to largest is ascending, going up, largest to smallest descending, going down. As you can see, it is showing here A to Z and Z to A. Means smallest to largest, largest to smallest. Let's sort it here. So what I get is the highest value on the top. See, and data is sorted accordingly because once you does not select or highlight any data, it is sorted with the connected columns. So you don't need to worry about the rest of the data. So this is ascending. I want to smallest. You see, I got the smallest value here. Now there are some other functions also. These are very interesting functions. We call them logical operators also. What are logical operators? I have another video available on my video sections. You can go and see what the logical operators are. Just to recall, I tell you there are three types of logical operators and or. Two types of logical operator. Third is the if, but we consider it as a separate thing. So and or. What is and? And means to match two conditions, two or more conditions. If all the conditions are matched, then and will work. Or means either one of the condition is matched, it will work. So this is and or. So let's get back here. Number equals, if you are working with numbers, you can have it here. 10,500, 23,000. I'm not going for n because there's no such type of condition here. So you see, you got 20,300, 20,300, 20,300. It brings the data which matches the condition where salary plus overtime is 20,300. Now, does not equal. That's not equal to what? 10,005. You will get all the rest of it. See how simple it is. Now see more options. Greater than. It is a very common function. You want to have 7,000. You will get only the numbers greater than 7,000. Okay. Now what is the next one? Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means it will also add the number you are putting in the search. For example, if I put 20,300, it will also add this 20,300 because it is equal, the search is equal to 20,300 and all the rest of the numbers which are greater than 20,300. So this is greater than equal to. Now we go to less than, similar, less than 50,000. You will get all the numbers which are less than 50,000. Okay. Now what's the next one? Less than or equal to, same. Let's see 25,500. You will get this data. What is the next function? Next is between. This is very important. Here you need to provide two is greater than or equal to. Between function is a very important function. Between means between 2 and 10. So what will we get? Let's see here. I am putting it between 10,500 and the operator comes in 25,500, you will have the same data available, no change. But if I change it a little bit more, I say, let's suppose 50,000, you will get some extra data, but not more than 50,000. Since we do not have anything of exact match to 50,000, so you won't get the data here. So this is the between, and you can have multiple options here. Equals to, does not equal to, is greater than, less than, is less than, is when the ends with. This is the text function. When I take you to the text, you will see that there contains, these are text functions. Since we are talking about number filters right now, let me finish this. Top 10, it will automatically sort top 10. What top 10? Items percent. Since there is no percent, keep on items. You will get the top 10 values. See how simple it is. Most of the work can be done by click only. No need to type this long formulas. Above average. What is above average? This is above average. It knows the average of the data, so it is saying above average. But let me clear the top 10 first. I need to clear all the filters so that you can understand what is the average. Number filter, above average. These are the above average. It automatically calculated the average of your data. Then the values which are greater than the average, it only shows those values here. Calculated the average and then displays the values which are greater than the average. What is average, by the way? Let me tell you. Average is something which we consider as middle of the value. Like there are values ranging from 10,000 to 60,000. And what major value I have? There's a formula also. To more simplify it, I will put it average. Average of what? From this to this. It will tell you the average. The average of our current data is 33,407. In order to calculate the average, you can calculate the total. What is the total sum? I don't want my average here. I want sum here because in order to calculate the average, I need to calculate the sum first. Okay. Did I miss something? Yes, I missed the 32 row. Okay. So the sum is average AVE is equal to sum of values divided by count of values. Sum is 1004 100, and how many values, how many rows it is using? Count, it will give you the available rows, 30. So average will be this divided by this, which is 33,470. Now see what the average formula was calculating for us. From here to here, 33,470. See? So this is how we calculate the average. Now go back to the filter thing. You see a magic. When I'm putting filter, it is also including these columns. So how to get rid of it? Just select these and put the filter. It will restrict it. That is why I was telling you to watch the video till the end, because I will be telling you a little more tips and tricks in the coming intervals. So below average and everything that is 33,470 less, you will get it. My apologies, why it did not work. Below average So because this number is making it difficult to calculate the average. Again, we will filter it below average. You see why it was not working? Because there was a number of 1 million, which is changing our average. So this is anything left? Yeah, custom filter. I will have another class for this. It will become so. Now, coming to text filters, you see it automatically changes. Equals to what? Equals to coupon. Only coupon. Now, what is the next filter? Does not equal to same, does not equal to John. John is no longer here. Now, again, text filter begins with, I say A. Begins with means from the beginning of the word. A. This begins with A. Clear filter ends with, I say Y. You get Henry here. See? Now, from here, contains. This is very important. Contains is very important, guys. You need to look at it. I say contains HM, Ahmad, because this is the only name which contains H and M. So you can have, again, I'm going for contains. I need to clear the filter first. Text filter contains. Let's see. N, where the N is. John, Henry, Andrew, Camera. Irrespective of the location where the what the index of the N is, it is just filtering it out. Jeez, it is asking for again filter. Now, anything left does not contain. Okay, I say does not contain double. Only Cooper will move out because there is only one thing, one name, Cooper, which is going out of this. So anything left? Custom filter, we will have another class for this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do keep on subscribing, sharing, and liking. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.